One case that comes to point is the case of an 80-year-old gentleman who sold his condominium and inadvertently damaged the entire complex, resulting in a large loss for him. There's lots of problems that arise on condominium purchases and sales. One that we had a little while ago involved an older gentleman in his 80s. He was selling his condo and he was actually looking to get into a nursing home because he had the beginning stages of Alzheimer's. Unfortunately, that also contributed to the problem. He inadvertently flooded his unit and several other units, resulting in several $100,000 worth of damages to the condo. The downside with that is the case law in British Columbia suggests that if it is your problem, if you have caused damage to the condominium, the common property, you will be paying the deductible. The deductible in a large condominium complex can be very high, can be $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. In this particular case, it was $25,000. Well, if we would have acted for the person when he bought the property, we make it a point of bringing that homeowner's insurance to their attention, making sure that they check with their homeowner's agent to see that that particular deductible protection clause is in the contract. Now, some insurance agents will put it in and some won't. And some condominium corporations will bring it to the attention of their owners and some won't. So it's a hit and miss proposition. Every year in British Columbia, many people get stuck with this problem. There is no reason they should get stuck with it because their lawyer could certainly advise them when they're purchasing that A, they should have homeowners insurance, and B, that they should have this deductible protection clause in their policy. We make it a point of doing that every time. In the case of a condominium, they mistakenly assume that the strata insurance, which is placed on the building, covers everything. It doesn't. It doesn't cover their personal possessions, it doesn't cover their liability inside the unit, it doesn't cover upgrades inside the unit, and it doesn't cover the deductible if the unit owner caused the damage. So there's lots of things that the strata insurance does not cover, and that's why we advise homeowners who are buying a strata to get their own insurance and have the proper coverage in it.